everyone. We are back to discuss a little more about Biden's presidency. So, along with other presidential orders changing the course of action, Biden is really making sure that him and his administration are remembered for bringing in advancement, unlike Trump's. So, keeping that in mind, on this Monday, Biden stated that US government would replace all of the federal fleet, including cars, trucks and SUV, with electronic vehicles that will be manufactured in United States. This plan fulfills the broader purpose of creating 1 million new jobs in the American auto industry and supply, which might make up for costing about 10,000 jobs for shutting down an oil project that you. This certainly brings up the idea that maybe he is on the path of making America great again by increasing the purchase of goods manufactured within United States. Now this is a huge opportunity because US government has about 645,000 vehicles in its fleet. However, like any other project, this too comes with its fair share of challenges such as changing infrastructure and supply. Now, the idea of electric cars automatically brings up the name of Tesla. However, Biden clearly stated that he supports union jobs and Tesla lacks union workers. On the other hand, General Motors or Ford might not have vast supply of electric vehicles, but they do have union shops. And they also plan on investing heavily on electronic vehicles in this year. Both the companies have introduced their electric vehicle plans for the year. We can only wait to see how Biden unravels his plan to make US a global leader in manufacturing electric motors. What do you think about this advancement? Let us know in the comment section below. And for daily updates about the trending news around the globe, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.